Here are the top 5 places to visit in Bataan. Number 5. Sinagtala Farm Resort, Orni, Bataan. Sinagtala Farm Resort is located in the municipality of Orni, Bataan. It is 2.5 to 3 hours drive from Cubao, Quezon City. It is a 60-hectare resort, a place where one can find peace, quiet, and tranquility. It is located in a mountain where you can view the fine nature of its infinity pool. The guests have the use of 2 infinity pools and our newest lagoon pool, hiking trails, river treks, and access to the Sinagtala Adventure Park, where exciting activities such as zip lines, giant swings, and suspended air bridges await, all located within the confines of a lush mountainous rainforest environment. Also, it is a perfect venue for weddings, retreats, family outings, and corporate seminars and team building with ample grounds, a chapel, conference facilities, and overnight accommodations. Number 4. Five Fingers Cove, Maribels, Bataan. This is getting a lot of social media attention thanks to its cove-to-cove hopping. A finger-like cove when viewed above, it is where its name came from, 5 fingers. The cove-to-cove hopping packed with a lot of adventures and nature tripping that you will enjoy for a whole day. The one-day tours allow you to explore the hidden wonders of 5 Fingers in Maribels, Bataan, as well as neighboring sites like the Sisiman Lighthouse, the Sisiman Grotto, and the Lucky Beach. Number 3. Morong Bataan Beaches. Because of Bataan is a peninsula, there are many beaches to visit in this beautiful province. Especially, the municipality of Morong, which is also one of the borders of the province adjacent to Zambales. Here are some of the beach resorts. 1. Anbayo Cove. Developed by Ayala Land Premier, the Anbayo Cove is a luxurious residential area, a golf course, and a separate leisure center. 2. Playa La Caleta. This resort is an ecotourism resort with a 100-hectare cove in Morong, Bataan. 3. Morong Star Beach Resort. Aside from its relaxing beach, it also boasts of its enjoyable packages and swimming pools. This resort is complete with fun indoor and outdoor activities. Kayaking, banana boat, and flying fish ride just to name a few. Number 2. Mount Samat Shrine of Valor. Located at the peak of Mount Samat in Pilar, Bataan, the Shrine of Valor is probably the most important and recognizable World War II site in the Bataan map. The Shrine of Valor is a memorial cross that pays tribute to the heroism of the Filipino and American troops when the Japanese army attacked the Philippines during the said war. The memorial cross is 301 feet tall and features the bas-reliefs of the country's national heroes: Dr. Jose Rizal, Andres Bonifacio, Emilio Aguinaldo, Antonio Luna, Lapu-Lapu, and Gabriel Silang to name a few. The stunning sculptures also include key historical events of the Philippines, including the execution of Dr. Jose Rizal and the Battle of Bataan. Collectively, the sculptures are called Nabiagang Gabedo, which means living stone in the local dialect of Ilocano. Visitors can enjoy the majestic views of the Manila Bay and the Bataan Peninsula at Memorial Cross's viewing deck. This tourist attraction is often combined with other landmarks in a heritage tour of Bataan. Before we announce the top 1, there are plenty of honorable mentions which is worth mentioning, such as the Balanga Plaza de Mayor, Vista Tala Resort and Recreational Park, Kamaya Coast Beach, Bataan Churches, Balanga Wetland and Nature Park, the Succulent Falls, and a lot more. And the number 1, Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar. Be transported to old Manila's glory days the moment you set foot at Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar. Home to Jose Acuzar's collection of restored Spanish-Filipino houses, this resort in Bagac, Bataan, is a reflection of Filipino craftsmanship, intricately curated into a world-class historical haven. Speckled with classic architecture, grandiose landscape, and spectacular waterworks, there is surely beauty to behold anywhere you go. Hop on the tramvia and traverse along cultural routes through cobblestone roads. Go on a fluvial adventure by taking the balsa, and see the Casas in a totally different angle. Las Casas also takes pride in being the only Philippine hotel to have received several international acclaims. Among its prestigious recognitions are being part of historic hotels worldwide, and being awarded as Asia's most excellent destination in 2017. If you like this content, please leave a like and comment. Please subscribe, click the notification bell, and share as well. And with all said, happy traveling guys. This is Archie Travels, thank you.